What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management, and it is unbelievable. The stock market has opened at 1,600 points down. This is incredible. It's actually got to the point where stock trading has actually been halted a few minutes ago, and that's the reason why I'm making this video. I was gonna make a video when I got home, but I was like, I just read this news and it's unbelievable. I can't believe it. At the same time, Bitcoin is down over 25% today. This really is ridiculous times we're living in. Now, of course, I want to tell you a few things before we, dive into depth on why these kind of things are happening. First of all, this was bound to happen at some point. After all the way the stocks were blowing up in the first couple of months of the year, this quarter just started off way too strong for the stocks. Added to that, we've got the whole noise about the coronavirus right now. We've had stuff like this before, swine flu, World War III, all sorts of stuff. So this is not really a surprise. Added to that, clearly, the stocks are heavily down. So the stocks that you want, those big stocks, those big companies, Tesla, Uber, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, they're on sale. So if you really want to trade stocks and get into stock trading, this is the time to do it, honestly. Stocks are down incredibly. But if you're someone who wants to trade now and get money now, bear ETFs are up. Inverse ETFs are up. Go and get them. Go and buy them, because those are the ones that have been up 100%, 200% in the last couple of months now. This crash obviously stopped so many companies, from succeeding right now, and it's obviously put a lot of stocks down. But at the same time, those bear ETFs, those inverse leverage ETFs, those are succeeding. Those are making money for people. That's where all the money is going right now. So if you don't know what those are, go check them out. I'll give you a couple to check out: SQQQ, TVIX, also UVXY. Go check those out if you want to make money right now, because those stocks are the ones that are gonna, that's where the money's going. It is incredible this time we're living in. Madness is just going on. Straight madness. Honestly, coronavirus is just... So I thought I'd just wait till I get home so I can give you guys a proper breakdown, proper analysis, and explain just how bad the impact is of this coronavirus, not only on the stock market, but on other things as well. So right now, almost all assets are actually suffering from this. That's commodities, that's corporate debt, equities, obviously cryptocurrency if you've seen Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, those kind of things, and of course the stock market. So this 2020 coronavirus stock market crash is, one of the biggest events in history when it comes to the stock market crashing. But it's establishing itself alongside some of the other biggest crashes, such as the 2008 stock market crash, the dot-com bubble in 2000, the Asian crisis in 1997, the oil crisis in 1973, obviously the 1929 stock market crash. There are so many like the one that is happening today. Obviously, that Wall Street crash is similar to what's going on today. Stocks right now are being smashed because of this coronavirus thing. Now the problem is, on top of the coronavirus, we have the crude oil war going on. Trump is trying to lower interest rates. He's obviously implemented a 30-day travel ban from Europe to the US, if you guys have seen. So all these things are adding up and making the impact on the stock market even more severe, even more threatening. But the good thing is, in times like this, like I said, always remember, stocks actually are at a discount. They're on sale, pretty much. This is going to happen soon. With all that's going on, with all the news that's going on, with all the random events that have been going on this year, this was going to happen. In the long run, though, stocks are going to be up. As always, like I said the other day, 6 months from now, we don't know what's going to happen. But a year from now, 5 years from now, 20 years from now, they're all going to be up. You can still profit off it, like I said, because the best stocks or quality stocks still pay a dividend right now, so you can still get dividend payouts. And to be honest, the best stocks that you want to get, you want to buy, they're down right now. We don't know how long they're going to bottom out for. We don't know how long it's going to be till they see a reversal and they start, trading up again. But you can watch them closely. Choose the right time to invest, pick your stocks out, and start trading them. Because the best opportunities always come within a crash. I mean, if a stock is going to rise to 1,000, within, let's say, 6 months, and it's at 400 right now, well, the best times to buy it while it's at 400. No one is at 700, no one is at 800, but when it's at 400, maybe it's dipped all the way down to 300, let's say. And once you see it going back and you see that solid reversal and it's at 350, 400, and weekly it's rising again, it's seeing increases, then invest in it. If you've done your analysis and you've seen the opportunity, that's the time to invest. If you don't want to, wait for those kind of things and you want to invest now, like I said before, buy stock options, buy puts, buy calls, short stocks. you can make money still. Whether the stock market goes up or if it goes down, you can make money both ways. So why not do it? But lastly, I just want to say, scared money doesn't make money. That's how you're not going to make money. Whether that's, stocks rising, stocks falling, stocks crashing, you're not going to make money if you use scared money. Scared money is just not going to make money. The opportunity is there right now. So whether, like I said, you use the stock market crashing to your advantage right now or use it for your long-term future. Scared money is not going to make money. You're going to have to invest. You're going to have to take the risks. You're going to have to, do your research and obviously make the right decision. But obviously everyone is scared right now. Everyone's panicking. And of course, this coronavirus is not to be taken lightly. I understand it's really spreading, which is really scary. It's spreading really quickly. But when it comes to stocks, remember, when others are fearful, it's time for you to be greedy. When others are greedy, like they were with Tesla when it was, hitting 800, 900 a few weeks ago, that was the time to be fearful. And as you can see, it really was the time to be fearful because people pumped money into it. And now it's trading just over $500 a share again. So as you can see, it was up here and it dipped right back down. Same with Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, all those companies as always. But don't be scared to pick up the shares that are selling off, the stocks that are selling off. The people who are selling off their shares and stocks now, they're selling them for you to take advantage. Take that as an opportunity. Obviously do your research as well, but see opportunity, learn to see opportunity. Don't listen to all the noise and the hype. Learn to see opportunity and invest in what you know. Invest in what you've done research in. Invest in what you actually want to invest in. So, lastly, I also want to say, do not panic. Relax. We've seen times like this before. I've said it, 2008, 1929, 1973, 1997, 2000. Times like this have happened before and we're going to recover from it. Times like this will happen again. That's always going to happen. But do not panic. That's all I want to say. Do not panic. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff as always. Make sure you let me know if you want to see more videos like this because I'll be happy to make them and go more in depth with certain stocks or in the stock market overall. Make sure you guys check out Time Your Watches, link in the description as well. Also, there's free stocks if you sign up for Robinhood in the description. Cryptocurrencies are there as well if you really want to do that right now. But that's for today's video, guys. I've been making. See you guys tomorrow for Financial Friday. Peace.